kinetochore. Within the centromere region, there is a location where spindle fibers they attach. That region is called as kinetochore. Kinetochore is made up of DNA as well as proteins. This is the actual location where spindle fibers attach. That attachment point is called as kinetochore. DNA sequences within these regions is called as centromeric DNA, which is abbreviated as CEN DNA. CEN DNA is approximately 120 nucleotides long. There are 3 subdomains of this DNA. The domains are called as CDE1, CDE2 and CDE3. If we see the diagram of the centromere DNA, this is the centromere DNA, and on the centromere DNA there are 3 regions: CDE1 region, CDE2 and CDE3. So these 3 regions collectively are present in the centromeric DNA. Effects of the mutations in the CDE regions. If there is a mutation in the first 2 regions like CDE1 and CDE2, there is no detrimental effect on the working of the kinetochore. While if there is a mutation in the third CDE, that have detrimental effect on the working of the centromere or on the working of the kinetochore. This is the diagram of the kinetochore. We can see the chromatids of the chromosome, and in the center there is centromere. Here is centromere, and within the centromere there is a specific point. That point is called as kinetochore. On the other diagram we can see that centromere, this is the complete centromere. On the centromere there is an inner plate, while the outer plate is formed by the microtubules which are attached to the kinetochore. So there are 2 plates. One plate is called as inner plate, which is present on the centromeric region of the chromosome, and there is a second plate which is called as outer plate. This outer plate is formed by after the attachment of the microtubules. Here in this diagram we can see that chromosomes, they are moving because they are being pulled by the microtubules. This is the microtubule which is attached at the kinetochore region. This is the kinetochore region, and microtubule is attached at the kinetochore region of the centromere. Once microtubule will pull to the kinetochore or the centromere region, chromosome will start to move towards the microtubule. We can conclude that kinetochores are the region within the centromere where spindle fibers they attach, and spindle fibers they pull the centromere region, and ultimately chromosome starts to move towards the poles.